Hello, my name is Mali and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about NFT. You probably have heard the name NFT, but it's still like a big question mark to lots of people that what NFT is and how can we create an NFT and sell it on site on the different websites. So NFT basically is a picture created by you, photoshopped by you, a photo that you have taken with your camera, or even a selfie. If you can even sell your selfie as an NFT. So in this session, I'm going to show you how to create an NFT and sell it online. One of the websites that you can sell your NFT is Opensea. I myself have an account on Opensea, and I'm going to show you how to create an account and how to sell your NFT on this website. So if in the Google, if you search Opensea, the address is opensea.io, and you can just click on the website, and it should looks like this. And you actually, without logging to this website, you can browse in and look at the different NFTs to get idea. It's actually a good idea. And like whatever has been featured on the first page is are the NFTs which are very famous and they are trading well. I myself have got a page, and this is one of my collections that I have on Opensea website, and as you can see, there are different animations, small animations I make and I upload on this website. If you don't know how to create NFT, please make sure you leave a comment under my video, and I would be happy to help you. So for example, we are still not logging, so you can go to this NFT, for example. This one is sold. Actually, you can see that I'm not the owner of this NFT anymore, and someone bought it for 0.02 and they are selling 0.1, which is a good profit, I believe. But look, you are in on an NFT, and you can browse in. But what if you want to buy NFT or sell yours? In that case, you need to be logging to Opensea website. How to log in? Let's do it. So just an example, don't worry, nothing would happen. We just press buy now, and Opensea is asking you to connect a digital wallet to your account, and that's how you log into this website. So Metamask is the wallet I use. So I'm going to show you how to create Metamask. So first you need to download the extension. Don't worry, just install it for Firefox, for example. That's what I'm using. So add to Firefox, and it's just installing the extension on your computer, and press add here, and Metamask is added here. Now you can see that this is added here, and okay, and it's all done. So we're just going to go back to Opensea website, and I just refresh the page. We still not log in because we don't have a wallet. Go to the wallet and start. I already have an account, but I'm just going to create a new one to show you how to start from scratch. So create a wallet here, read the stuff, and of course you have to agree. Do a password here, just do a very simple one. Make sure your password is secure enough and make sure that you remember it. So I just created this one, and yep, create. I don't want, you can watch the video, of course. And this part is the most important part of your wallet. This is a secret recovery phrase, and if you lose these words, you cannot recover your wallet. Doesn't matter how much money you've got in there, you'll never be able to recover that wallet. And if someone knows about this secret recovery phrase, they can just take all your money. So make sure that you've got this one. I'll just show you because this is just a test, but you've got this one. Download it on your computer, save it on your computer, make sure you back it up and back up your backup as well. So congratulations, you are part of Opensea now. So we just close this one. Now you are just, that's your MetaMask. I'm just going to close it and refresh the page here. And you are literally logged in on this website. So it just asks you to connect. Yes, connected. And this is your profile on Opensea. So it's a bit confusing because you are not actually making any account on the Opensea. You are connecting a wallet which you have an account on that wallet, and Opensea recognize you with that wallet. So now if you want, for example, if you go to any account, Mozart is my account, and if you want to buy something, you can just buy it now. So you buy now in our wallet. So it says you need to pay 300 by checking, and you can't confirm the checkout because you need to add money in your wallet, and that's how you see how much money you've got. We've got 0. So that's a way to log into Opensea. But let's see how to sell your NFT. So when you are logged in, you just go to your profile, and you can just complete your profile, put the name and everything. Go to setting, and yeah, you're gonna see lots of these sign-ins because every time whatever you do, it just asks you to confirm. So it's a test account, the bio is test, but of course test 20. Oh no, it's available. And make sure you do your bio, just say what you love and what you do your email address. And it's really good if you have a Twitter account, Instagram account, you connect your website and everything. This is your wallet address. That's the exact one as here. So whoever wants to transfer money to your wallet, this is the one you need to give them. So you just do everything you need to do, and you just test@gmail.com. Make sure you enter your right email and you just save. Now that we've done our profile, you do your banner and everything. Click on the create, and here you can create your NFT. Create new item. You just click in here and you upload your NFT. Which, for example, we just upload this one as a test, and on fire. Make sure you give them a good name. If you want to sell, you need to be creative. External link is for if you've got a website and this character of yours has got a story, you just put the link there and you describe what this one is. This litter creature is on fire. That's what, for example, we do. And at the moment it's not part of collection, so we leave it blank. I'll show you how to create collection as well. And you just create. Congratulations, your first NFT is created, and everyone now can see your NFT. So it's literally uploaded on the website, and there is no price on it, but however, people still can offer different price to you, and it would appear here. But to sell your NFT, which is the next part, you just click on sell, and we say, for example, 0.2 is equal of $620, and it's because the currency for Ethereum for this website is Ethereum, and only 2% of Ethereum is $600 US, and you can set different prices, like 1% is $31 for this picture, for example. And you just say complete listing. In this part, you need to pay gas fee here. Complete listing and it would take you to your wallet. So your wallet comes up and asks you for permission, and this is a gas fee at the moment on Ethereum blockchain. So you need to make sure that you go on the right time for the market, because this gas fee changes every couple of seconds. Maybe if you stay on this video, you see maybe in a couple of minutes it changed. So at the moment it's 0.02, which is equal to 85, and it just changed. Now it's $75. So make sure if you want to upload your first NFT on OpenSea, make sure you watch the gas fee and go when it's low or the lowest. But good news is on OpenSea, first time is the only time you pay gas fee, and once you upload your first NFT, rest of the time you can just upload as many times as you want, and it's completely free for you. So see the price keep changing here. So I think this website is quite well, because different websites sometimes they just charge you for every NFT you upload, but this one is I believe it's much better. That's what I feel anyway. But yeah, that's the way you create your NFTs, and I hope that this video helps you to get you going. And make sure to leave your question in the comment if you have any. Please like the video if it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching again, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you. Bye.